On the road again with Saz and Kag, they're rolling down the bend, searching for the unseen. Every little crack and yellow door they tend. Abandoned landscapes, the Sazzy's way. In countryside they blend, just to explore the secrets that the open road can lend. With every rusty sign and weathered barn, their hearts align into the depths of forgotten tales and whispers left behind. From silent fields to sunbaked lanes, the two of them unwind in pursuit of stories from another age and time. On the road again, chasing down the shadows and the past. Every mile they wander, every moment seems to last. Through yellow doors and winding paths, they'll find the truth at last. Sazzy and Kag, making memories steadfast. In desolate old diners, their echoes softly hum. With plates of dreams half-eaten, they laugh with everyone, exploring little corners where history's yarn is spun. In every abandoned framework, Sazzy's heartstrings strum. From ghostly train tracks to silent factories clad in rust, they piece together puzzles of towns left in the dust. The melody of emptiness, a soulful wanderlust. In every close encounter, it's the friendship they trust. On the road again, chasing down the shadows and the past. Every mile they wander, every moment seems to last. Through yellow doors and winding paths, they'll find the truth at last. Sazzy and Kag, making memories steadfast.